How to see who viewed your Facebook profile. First of all, you have to open a Facebook application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, now from your home page, navigate to your profile page by tapping on your profile icon from the top section or just below the home icon. Now, once you're on your home page, navigate to three-line icon from the top right corner, and again from here tap on your profile icon. That's gonna take you to your profile page. Now, once you're on your profile page, first of all, you have to turn on the professional mode. If not, tap on three dots icon, and in this menu bar you will have an option to turn on professional mode. Tap on it, and once the professional mode is turned on, get back to your profile page, and from here you will have this button that says professional dashboard. Tap on it. Here, navigate to the menu bar at the top of this interface and tap on Insights, and then tap on Reach. And in this Reach page you will be able to see who have viewed your Facebook profile. In my case, it's 0, but in this page it will show up who have viewed your Facebook profile. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.